Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. This is a bookkeeping spreadsheet I created for a sound recording studio. It's very easy to use. Enter the date, the income source. You have a choice of 15. We are choosing recording. Choose the price of each song you're recording, the number of songs you recorded. Income gets automatically calculated, the amount you received. So there's a balance due from this client, your client name, any product ID you would like to give, and a description. Now we come to expenses. Enter the date, the category of the expense. You have 40 expense categories, and over here we'll choose advertising, the amount of your expense, paid to local newspaper, any receipt number, and any notes, local ad. This is the dashboard where you get to see a bird's eye view of how your business is performing. The spreadsheet also includes an income statement, great for end of the year taxes, a balance sheet, a cash flow statement, and a debt schedule where you can enter all of your mortgages, installment loans, lines of credit, etc. I hope you liked this video. Please do leave your questions and comments below. I will be putting a link to the spreadsheet in the description section below, and do subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my upcoming videos. And thank you again so much for watching.